Etrade how to sell stocks. Online trading of instruments like stocks, futures contracts, option contracts, bonds, funds and currencies had become very popular now. Now there are a number of online trading brokers available who offer trading services for individual and institutional traders, investors. They offer traders access to different markets trading different products on a trading interface. The trading interface known as trading software can be accessible on web or can be installable. Market data and news are streamed through the trading software and traders make trading decisions with changing data. But most online brokers let traders to trade more than one product in market. The most prominent classification of online trading brokers is based on their services offered. For finding an online trading brokerage firm that best suit the trader should consider many things, including is her trading style, risk tolerance, products and markets available for trading, commission charges available, order types, account minimums and benefits, past broker performance, accessibility, trading software and additional benefits.